welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and in today's video I will tell you that how the final verdict given by Chief Justice of India regarding the NEET irregularity case, how is it going to affect the marks of the students as well as the rank. I hope you guys are aware, and I believe you people are aware, that there is no re-NEET, right? In yesterday's verdict, CJI made it very clear that there is no point of conducting the re-examination, right? And basically CBI inquiry will still be there, and if there will be any beneficiary, right, if they got another beneficiary even at the level of counseling, they are going to debar that candidate. Okay, that is clear. But one more thing was there in yesterday's verdict, and that is regarding the physics controversial question. So you know that, right, that CJI asked IIT Delhi to give the correct answer, right, correct answer for that physics controversial question. So it is that question, right? I hope you guys are aware of it. That statement 1, atoms are electrically neutral as they contain equal numbers of positive and negative charge. Statement 2 is atoms of each element are stable and emit their characteristic spectrum. So if we talk about the old NCERT, as per old NCERT, right, both the statements are correct. But as per new NCERT, one statement is correct and another statement is incorrect, right? So basically, due to this controversial question, students, they got the grace marks, right? They got the grace marks because in the answer key, in this question, right, that statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect, it was considered as the correct answer. But then students, they challenged it, and approximately 4,20,000 students, they marked D as the correct answer as per the old NCERT, not as per the new NCERT. So 9 lakh something students, they marked A as correct answer, and remaining student, they marked that both the statements are correct, right? So you know that regarding that, NTA considered both the answers as correct answers, and they said that they will give grace marks to those, right, who attempted both the answers, right? And due to that, many students who were scoring 715 marks, due to that grace marks, they got 720 marks, right? So that is why we had many toppers, right? Many students, right? You know that those who scored, yes students, those who scored 720 out of 720, approximately 44 students were there. But now in the last verdict, right, in the final verdict, judges, they made it very clear that we will not go as per old NCERT and the new NCERT thing, we will go for the correct answer. And IIT Delhi said that this one is the correct answer, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. So now those who got the grace marks for this particular question, their marks will be deducted. So let me tell you how. Let's say if you didn't attempt the question, right, then obviously you didn't get the grace marks. So let's say if any student has attempted the option 4, this one, that both the statements are correct, because they got grace marks, so now there will be the deduction of 5 marks. Let's say you got the grace marks, your marks are 675. You attempted this question, but you attempted the answer as per old NCERT. So minus 5 marks will be deducted, and this will be your final score. This will be your final score. So obviously, because of that, you know that, right, there will be the change in the rank of students, right, bache? So even if I talk about the qualifying marks, there can be the change in that qualifying marks also, but 1 or 2 marks will vary. Like, you know, 164, around 164 marks are minimum qualifying marks. So because of that, obviously, that can also change, right? So overall, because now the grace marks, 4,20,000 students, they got the grace marks, but now there will be no grace marks. So accordingly, the ranks will be there, and accordingly the marks will be there. So NTA is going to release that updated result. So then you'll get to know about your rank better. So this is the thing. So here you people can see this is the official article. While refusing to cancel the NEET UG 2024 exam for paper leak, the Supreme Court today directed the NTA to revise the results by treating the option identified by an expert team constituted by the IIT Delhi as the correct answer to that ambiguous question, right? So not the official document, but yes, it is from the live law. Okay, bache, right? So accordingly, your marks will change, right? So we know that this year, right, NEET 2024, it was, you can say that it was full of surprises, the exam pattern, and even the result, and even after the result. But bache, due to all these things, right, one thing is clear, that next year NTA is not going to do such things, right? Because they know that everyone is going to observe that what is going to happen in the next year. Okay, so if you are an aspirant, if you are preparing for NEET 2025, I'll suggest you people that please do not waste your time. We have seen that thing that in the last 3 months students they go, I don't know what happened. Even on YouTube classes we saw many students, they start taking the lectures, right? Then students are very sincere in the last 3 months that yes, I have to crack this examination, yes, I have to give my best. But students, if you will start your NEET preparation on time, right, then obviously there are more chances, right? The probability that you will qualify the exam will be more. Okay, and in the let's say if you will start your preparation late, right, what is going to happen? You will have that pressure, right? You will not be able to sleep, right? Accordingly, you have to prepare, right? You have to focus on the most important things only. But if you will start now, let's say even if you are starting in the month of August, right, till August to December, very easily you can complete your syllabus for physics, chemistry and biology of class 11th as well as of class 12th. Right, and even in the month of January you can revise it, in the February you can revise it, in March, April you can practice, you can revise. So still you have sufficient time to crack this examination, and next year maybe, I'm not saying that paper will be very difficult, it will be as per NCERT, but yes, you can expect a better paper. Okay, so I will suggest you people to start your preparation from today itself. Do not wait for that last 3 months. Right, do not wait for that last 3 months. Do not think that you can crack this exam after when you will start studying in the last 3 months. It's not the board exam, students. It is a competitive exam, and here one thing is very important, and that is consistency. If consistently you will start studying from now, even if you are studying for 3 hours, I'm talking about the self-study. Trust me, you people can qualify the exam. Trust me on that. But you have to do it every day, right? And it will result in compounding. So we are here to help you students, and let's not waste the time, and let's be the part of Unacademy's Phoenix Pro batch by the team Avengers, students, right? By the team Avengers. Be the part of this batch because it is the live batch for the NEET 2025 aspirants, right? Remaining batches will be after this. Whatever batch we will start, it will be live plus recorded, but it is going to be the live batch, and there are many perks in this batch that I will tell you right now. And the most important thing is, obviously, we are going to teach you, the team Avengers is going to teach you, right, bache? So if you enroll yourself in this particular batch, you will have the access of special ranking group online batch, right? Obviously your rank will be better, your practice will be better, plus mentorship sessions will be there. Like tomorrow, I am going to take the mentorship session for the Phoenix batch students, right? In the class, you guys can ask your doubts. Teachers are going to solve your doubts. In the class, PYQ practice is there. After the class, bache, doubt solving sessions will also be there. And this time, if you enroll yourself in Phoenix Pro batch, guys, you will get the leaderboard, right? And not just for Phoenix, that Phoenix Pro batch by Avengers team, overall, whatever batches are there on Unacademy platform, whenever we will take the test, you will get a combined leaderboard. So you guys can see where are you standing. You guys can analyze your performance, and you can work, right? And you can just work on your mistakes, and in final NEET 2025 exam, you can give your best, right? So these are the perks of this batch. And moreover, all India test series with all India rank predictor will also be there in this Phoenix Pro batch. So without any delay, students, without any delay, kindly enroll yourself in this particular batch, and you just need to pay ₹4,999. No hidden charges for the study material, right? If you enroll yourself in Plus, you people will get the study material on the app itself. If you go for the iconic, right, if you go for the iconic, you will get the hard copy of that study material. And there is one more thing, Unacademy Pro, I'll tell you about it. But guys, these are the lowest ever prices, right, bache? So subscribe here, right, and you can do it from July 18 to July 25th, and then your batch will start. So I request you people, without wasting any time, start your preparation from today itself so that you can score best marks, good marks, and you can get your dream medical college. So do let me know in the comment section which one is your dream medical college, right, bache? And definitely we will reach there. So Unacademy Pro is a very unique plan for all of you, where you are getting all the perks of online batches. Along with that, there will be offline doubt solving, there will be offline test experience, and there will be offline revision classes. So what you have to do, go to your own channel, that is Unacademy NEET English. You can click on any video, students, and then in the description box there is a link. Click on that link, add your details, pay the fee and be the part of that batch. So without any wastage of time, please start your preparation now, and do let me know your favorite, your dream medical college in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone. Stay tuned to Unacademy NEET English.